Hi, it's March. Dean and I are traveling. We have to stay a couple nights extra here in New Mexico because there's a big storm coming in Texas going up to Missouri. So we do have our 6 week trip planned and we're going to get on that as soon as the weather gets better. So, anyway, I thought I'd record this tutorial. So today we're going to plan a simple 5 day trip using ChatGPT. And this one's going to be about San Diego. So when you plan a trip, do you open a bunch of Google Docs or Google sites, websites, and see if you can find fun things to do? Or do you open TripAdvisor and see a bunch of stuff you can do and you just don't know how to narrow it down? So anyway, I'm going to show you what I do for a 5 day trip to San Diego. It's going to be just sightseeing because it's going to be a trip that we drive a couple hours from where we're at, and we already have friends to stay with. So I'm going to show you how to plan the activities for that trip. Instead of researching and planning everything myself, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me a few choices. And then I'm going to respond with choices. And the choices and the plan come back almost instantaneous. So you're going to be surprised and really excited to see how easy it is to plan a trip with ChatGPT. So stay here so you can see me walk you through step by step. Okay, so log into your ChatGPT. You can either make a free account or you can use it without logging in. So we're going to work on the first prompt with relaxing activities. Here's the first prompt. Suggest 3 relaxing things to do in San Diego, such as beaches, scenic areas, or peaceful places. Then ask me to choose my top 1 to 2 to include in the trip. Okay, so I typed the prompt in, suggest 3 relaxing things to do in San Diego, and then ask me to choose my top 1 or 2 to include in my trips. So we'll enter. Okay, and the top 3 things they're suggesting is La Jolla Cove, Torrey Pines State Natural Reserve, Sunset Cliffs Natural Park, and then it says it's our turn. Which top 1 or 2 would you like to include in your trip? I'm going to put La Jolla Cove and Sunset Cliffs. Tell me numbers. Okay, so you just wanted numbers 1 and 3. Okay, so now we're going to go to prompt 2 for outdoor activities. Suggest 3 outdoor activities in San Diego, like hiking, kayaking, or coastal walks. Then ask me to choose my top 1 or 2. Okay, so we're on prompt 2 for outdoor activities in San Diego, like hiking, kayaking, or coastal walks. I typed that all in, with then ask me to choose my top 1 or 2. I'm going to enter and see what ChatGPT has to say. Gave me 3. 1, coastal walk at Sunset Cliffs. Number 2 is kayaking the sea caves. And 3, hiking at Torrey Pines State Natural Reserve. Now it wants me to tell them what 2 I want. So I'm going to pick, kayaking and hiking, so 2 and 3. Okay, so ChatGPT will tell me I had good choices and they'll go over the ones I picked again. Okay, so prompt 3. Suggest 3 historical places to visit in San Diego. Then ask me to choose my top 1 or 2. Okay, so I just put in the ChatGPT, the prompt number 3. Suggest 3 historical places to visit, then choose my top 2. So I'm going to enter and see what the top 3 are. Top one is Cabrillo National Monument, and then Old Town San Diego Historic Park, and then USS Midway Museum. So I'm going to pick 2 and 3. Okay, and they'll put that all together for us for our trip pretty soon. And so now I'm going to move on to prompt 4. Use the relaxing places, outdoor activities, and historical sites that I selected to create a simple 5-day San Diego trip plan. Okay, so I entered prompt 4, and now I'm going to enter to get a simple 5-day San Diego trip plan. Okay, here are the things that we chose: relaxing, outdoor, historical. Below is a 5-day plan that keeps each day relaxed and geographically logical. So day 1. So we have 2 things on day 1. Flow of the day, morning, afternoon. Day 2, La Jolla Coast. So day 2 we have La Jolla Cove and La Jolla Sea Caves. Day 3, coastal nature. We have Torrey Pines State Natural Reserve. Day 4, we have ocean views from Sunset Cliffs Natural Park. Day 5 is a flexible repeat favorite. This day is intentionally relaxed. Options are La Jolla Cove, Torrey Pines, or San Diego waterfront. Okay, so we're going to do another prompt called Slow the Pace. Prompt 5 says, make the trip plan less busy and more relaxed. Limit it to 2 activities a day. Okay, so I typed in that prompt, make the trip plan less busy and limit it to 2 things a day. I'm going to enter. So a relaxed itinerary means fewer transitions and fewer locations per day. 2 activities is a reasonable ceiling, but several days should realistically have only 1 anchor activity. Otherwise, it stops being relaxed. So these are the places I chose. And below is a calmer 5-day structure that limits each day to 1 or 2 simple activities. So day 1 is a historic day. Day 2 is La Jolla. Day 3 is a nature day. Day 4 is scenic coastline. Day 5 is free and flexible. So we can go back to other things that we wanted to see again or something else. Okay, prompt number 6, we're going to organize the trip. The prompt is put the trip into a table with these columns. Day, activity type, why it's worth visiting. Okay, so put prompt number 6 into ChatGPT, put the trip plan into a table with these columns: day, activity type, and why it's worth visiting. Okay, I'm going to enter. And we're going to see a table made almost instant. Okay, so here's our simple 5-day San Diego trip plan. Day 1 tells the activity, the type, and why it's worth visiting. We go all the way down to day 5. Okay, we have prompt 7. Prompt 7 is suggest 2 locally owned restaurants near each day's activities. Avoid national chains. and then give me a day-to-day schedule, including the restaurants. Okay, so I just typed in prompt number 7, which is suggest 2 locally owned restaurants near each day's activities. Avoid chain restaurants, and then give me a day-to-day schedule, including the restaurants. I'm going to enter. Okay, relaxed 5-day plan with local restaurants. Okay, so we have the time, we have lunch and dinner included with the activity. Okay, so we have the morning activity, the lunch, afternoon, and dinner. Torrey Pines. Okay, we have the activity, lunch, and dinner. 4, 5. Those are our 5 days for our trip. Now you can see how easy it is to build a personalized trip using ChatGPT. You can use the same process for any city you visit. In my previous video, I did show how beginners can get started using ChatGPT for everyday tasks. The link is in the description. And be sure to grab your bonus. It's a free copy of the prompts I used in this video, so you can copy and paste them for yourself. And if you enjoy simple, easy tech help, please subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. And if you have any comments or if you want help planning the trip, I'd be glad to do that too. So just put down in the comments what you'd like. And thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to grab your free bonus in the first pinned comment. Have a great day. Thank you.